Hey guys, it is John the Pool Expert, and today we are going to be removing some old solar controls that they have installed. It looks like they have an old thermostat from a old spa. This is like from the 70s, and it's got a little booster pump going up to the solar with the valves and everything going up. But they removed the solar from this house, and we're going to install a new filter. This old stainless steel sand filter is going to go away. This old booster pump is going to go away. All of this solar plumbing and the newer solar controls, those all going away. All this time clocks and everything, and we were going to keep the variable speed pump, but we're going to get rid of everything else. So anyway, I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Here's all the stuff we took out off the wall. Bunch of unnecessary garbage. Hey guys, just got this all finished, all cleaned up. Got the new filter, new plumbing. Replumbed the pump. Just the one wire. Powering up everything now. The pump's got its own time clock built into it. So anyway, it looks a lot better than it did. We got all that stuff off the wall. So anyway, that's the finished product. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Thanks.